My lenses are Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. I'm going in for a lip plumper. You can go for a lip balm. Skin prep is done. I'm straight going in with my favorite primer. Makes life easy. This is Sunheri by Ollie Ayurveda. Just spray it and you're good to go. I'm going in with the liquid foundation. This is the Airbrush Flawless by Charlotte Tilbury in 7 Warm Shod. Just one drop is enough. This is the Pack 252 brush. Blend it out. Don't put too much under your eyes or around the lips because you will use concealer, and why layer it up unnecessarily. I'm in New Jersey with my cousin and I really like Mexican food, and he has a Colombian wife with amazing kids and we're all going out. So I just want to keep it easy, but the weather is a little cold because it's been raining, so I can use liquid foundation. Some concealer. This is the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in NC42. Blending it out with the Pack 219 brush. I want to keep a light eye makeup because this is just lunch. Don't bake. This is just the Fit Me powder by Maybelline in light medium 20. I'll just set the foundation with this powder all over my face. There's a top light, so I'm trying to get the light for you guys. Before going into the eye makeup and the rest of the face, I'm going to set the foundation with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Please use products of your own choice. Just follow the technique, as I always say. So going for a neutral shade. A lot of people have been asking what this is. This is a very old palette by Lancome. I don't know if it's still continued. It was a gift. So just go for like a neutral shade like this, which has become one of my favorites. And this is the Pack 204 brush. The kids are playing outside. I don't want to stop them there. Hope it doesn't bother you. I'm going to put some of this to contour my eyes. Oh, these kids are so cute. This is a Pack 208 brush. I find this convenient and versatile as smudging eyeshadows and also with application. So I'm going in with a brown. Any brown will do. And just putting it on the outer corner. Just to give it a bit of a dimension. Just make sure the strokes are from outside to inside. That's it. Blend out the crease with a soft brush or the previous brush that you used. That's the Pack 204. That's what I'm using. Just any soft brush that would just help to blend. Take the same brown and I'm gonna line my lower lash line, outer lower lash line. Setting my eyebrows with the Benefit Cosmetics gel. This is really good. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, one of my favorites. They're playing. 3 siblings playing. How cute is that? They have summer holidays here, so they should have fun. And you want to watch me do the video while I talk?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll talk to them.
Yeah.
And you'll be quiet when I do that?
Yes.
I'm going to apply lipstick.
I like.
How do you like my eyes?
They look pretty. Mommy has eyelashes.
Yes.
Mommy has these.
Come in front of me. Come here. Come here. Come here. They also want to watch what I'm doing. So, lipstick time. What color should I use? So first, usually I line my lips and fill it out with a nude lip liner. This is Hype by K Beauty.
This cutie beauty.
Cutie Beauty? No, it's K Beauty, not Cutie Beauty. Mwah. What color should I use? Pink?
Yes.
You like
looks
pink?
Good. It looks good on you. Purple and pink are my favorite color. Yeah, we're good. It looks good.
It does.
Mommy doesn't have a penis so but she does have it on that high deck, so can't touch it.
Uh-huh. How about this?
Yes.
This. Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. I know which one will, so I'll find it. I don't know where I keep my things. Okay. Okay. This lip liner is Magenta by MAC. So this is the MAC lip pencil in magenta. Tell them. MAC lip pencil. Come here. Say MAC lip. So I'll tell you. MAC lip pencil in magenta. Go.
MAC lip pencil in
Magenta.
magenta.
I know you're gonna be here. Find the right one. Okay, I'm gonna go with a darker lip liner because magenta is not showing and I cannot find my Vino, which would actually be correct with this, but this is chestnut. Again, a brown works out for us Indian skin tone people. Okay.
Wow, it looks so cool.
Alright. So this is Pop Star Pink by MAC, chosen by Azealia and Amira, right? Let me know how you like it.
Beautiful. Oh, it looks so cool.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why can't I do lipstick?
I'll do it one day when mommy's not watching, daddy's not watching. We're going to play. Now what you do is you tap off the top layer so the second layer stays and you put it one more time, right?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. They agree.
Mommy did lipstick on us before.
Ah, I'll do it one day. We'll do a lipstick party in my room. I have a little secret. Say.
No, you're going to
Contour. I'm going to use this.
Mommy has one of those.
Of course.
She never.
You have a beautiful mommy.
What? You just put it on your forehead. Like.
I will. First I need to do my cheekbones. Then I need to do my temple area and the two
One
sides.
time when I was 3, I put on makeup on me and it looked so ugly.
No, you're not ugly. You're never going to be ugly.
I put makeup on me and then I look ugly.
No. Never let anybody call you ugly.
No one called me ugly.
No, never call yourself ugly, okay?
I don't call myself ugly.
I'm going to even out the skin tone so that there is no patches. We need to look perfect.
So when there's no patches, it makes your skin even look more beautiful.
See, she said it. Okay, I'll show you blush. Okay, this is blush on. This is Sweet Peach Peony by Nude Sticks. It's discontinued, but you can get a similar
It makes
shade.
your skin look a little brighter.
Of course, you know. You're so
And
smart.
then when you get it all over, you can rub it around.
Watch what I do.
Looks shiny and also.
You want some shine? You want to see some shine?
Yeah.
I'll show you shine.
We have a makeup party. Your skin looks shiny. It makes you look.
This is going to be shiny. We're using the Dior Backstage Palette 001 and I have to bend a little so they're in frame. I have to bend. See. Do you see the shine?
Yeah.
Can I come here and show it to them?
Yeah.
Okay, add your highlighter, add your powder, set your makeup. I'll take pictures outside and show you guys because we have to go for lunch.
We need to go for lunch.
Give them a flying kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
No, one second, together. Mwah. Okay, till then, take care, stay glam.